So I was asked by WONDAY to check out this 2-pack of a nylon ratcheting belt for men. And it doesn't necessarily have to be just for men, because this is a very useful belt that can go across men, women, anybody who's active, who goes hiking, plays golf, and needs a sensible, easy to use, tough, military style grade belt. So this is first time me using automatic slide buckle design. So I had to figure out a little bit, but once I figured it out, I saw the benefits of it, because once you slide it in and you release that little thumb lever that locks it in place with a spring inside, and once you set, you're ready to go. And other belts have the flap on the outside, which could be a little annoying. You have to tuck it in to the belt loop or the strap, and even with that, it could hang up and get in the way on certain style pants. This, no problem. The end of the belt is on the inside of the belt. It gives it a clean, snag-proof advantage. So it makes this supposedly tactical style belt look very casual and formal. Well, I have no problem putting this on with a pair of slacks, going out to lunch, or even a fancy dinner, and you really don't have to go for that fancy belt. And you can have your comfort and pass off for casual dress. And as for work and hiking and other heavy-duty applications with the nylon webbing, you got the power and performance of a tactical belt. You'll always get your exact fit every time you place it on. So it's easy to unhook and hook for when you go to the bathroom. Some other tactical belts, it's a little bit of a process, and that's not really that convenient. But this is just fine. I really like the feel of it. It comes with the 2-pack, so you could pick your colors. So I got a nice gray one, and of course you got to have a black. And this is great for everything, and you can hang wallet and keys from it, and really probably even a holster, all sorts of things that you need. So I really like this, and I think it's good value, and I'm glad I was given it to check out for you. Thanks for watching.